Yo, this Joe Crystal. What's up? Hey, y'all learned a lot about this music business, right? And one thing that I have learned that it's about keeping shit 100. Keeping things real when it comes to production and engineering and stuff like that. Wow, like what I mean by that is that like when you selling your music, if you're a producer, you selling your beats. How I do things is that if an artist want to get a track from me, I don't mind just throwing you the track, let you rock with it, get on it, do what you do with it. But you can't make no money from it. Or, I'll let you know, like, end of the day, expect other people to have this beat, because you ain't paid for the rights of it. You get what I'm saying? Expect every other artist to have this beat. So if you do something with it and you serious and it pop off, and then the artist come around and buy the beat, they don't feel no kind of way because end of the day, like, you stopping my hustle, right? But and most artists, they respect that. They be like, yeah, I feel you. That's what's up. But end of the day, if you're really serious about your craft, right? You serious about your music as an artist, then you're gonna try to own the rights of your music. Like, why not? Like, if you're trying to own the rights of the beat, okay, you might as well not own the rights of your lyrics. Because at the end of the day, you need both. But when it comes to buying exclusive rights or whatever you want to call it, contract with the beat, with me, I don't sell beats most of the time no less than $300 to $500 based on who the artist is. If it's an upscale big artist or whatever, then I'm selling it way more than that. And then if it's if it's some artists on their grind trying to network and try to get popping, then I sell it for around that price. But it come with a contract, and I want points on the end. I want points. If you're not trying to agree with the points, then you're going to have to pay me more money for the beat. Just that simple. Because at the end of the day, as an artist, when you get on, you start popping and you start selling, some niggas will buy a beat for $200-$300 and then go platinum on the record or gold, and then the producer ain't made shit else on that record. They done. That's it. You get what I'm saying? That's why some artists get mad when they question why the producer have to sell the beats, because they feel like the artist is doing the producer a favor or something like that. You're doing each other a favor. You're putting in work. Or you gonna rap for free? Like, that's what people gotta understand. Like, you're not gonna do that. Yeah, certain shows to network and promote yourself, but what I mean, like, literally, once you get to that point, you ain't gonna rap. You're not gonna rap for free, right? You're gonna sell your work. That's your work. That's your new hustle. This is an image. This is your job. You're investing this time. You're investing your money in it. So you got to get it back. That's what people got to understand. When you invest in it, you got to get it back. You understand? And so when it come to leasing, when it comes to exclusive rights with me, it comes with a contract. Then you get the stems. But in my contract, it basically say that, you can't be flipping and bouncing and rearranging my music and all that. You got to keep it the way it is. You probably have to, add another verse part to it or something like that. But as far as the rearranging, you can remix it with somebody else if you decide you want to do that. If you think my mix ain't good enough, but normally my mix is good. But far as the part taking control of it and doing what you want to do with it, nah, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. We not doing that, So that's just to give you a heads up. They come with a contract. I get 3-4 points off sales on that, between 3 and 4 or 5 points. We can agree to that. But hey, people gotta cut the check out here, man. Producers putting their time and they work in their craft, man, and people think they just supposed to get it for free. Artists be popping, doing these shows and all that. Producers ain't getting no cut from that shit. Unless y'all got agreement or something, some type of something, But he normally get his royalties from the radio plays and the album sales and upfront money and everything. Then on top of that, most producers ain't getting no fame. They in the back, they in the cut. Nobody really know about them like that. They know about the artist. The artist one that's in the forefront. They showing their talent. They showing who they are. People see them a lot. They ain't really seeing the producers. Producers getting known now, but they ain't big like the artists. They big, but they not known like the artists. That's why certain producers come out, they start rapping. they start rapping, you know, make people see them more of what they do. But yeah, so that's how it goes. This young Crizzle, if you don't know, now you know.